Hi, everybody. I'm Kelly from Collage-Lab, and we are on the downhill now. Day 16 of our 30-day challenge. Welcome to Treasure Trovember. If you're new here, do go back and watch the welcome video. It's an easy challenge to catch up on for sure. And so day 16, if you haven't registered yet, do that. There's a link below. You will be able to download our free guide to Trovember featuring tips and tricks to make the most of this 30-day challenge. Okay, so day 16. This is one of my favorite prompts. I hope you enjoy it. Day 16, we're going to add a machine to our collage. Any kind of machine, however you want to interpret that. As you've figured out, these prompts are totally open to your interpretation, and I encourage you to go with your very first thought. Whatever you grab, find something that fits the prompt, add it, and then come back the next day. So day 16, we're adding a machine, and I will see you back here again tomorrow. Thank you for being here.